Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This time once again I'm present with another latest update of Chainlink. My friends, this time the Chainlink holders doing a very big mistake, but they can't understand, my friends. If you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. You lost your money and the Chainlink, my friends. And if you don't do this mistake, so maybe, my friends, there is a chance that you will get a profit from a Chainlink. Keep watching this video for more details and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, first of all, the latest price of the Chainlink in the market is 21.67 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Chainlink in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Chainlink, so the whole changes occur and the Chainlink is going negative. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole price changes occur and the Chainlink is going negative. Continuously fast down occurs in the Chainlink. So my friends, the people afraid, the people worrying about the Chainlink, they understand, my friends. The people understand that Chainlink have no idea to take a pump. They understand. But my friends, if you have patience, so you will get a profit. If you have nothing and no patience, so nothing you will get, my friends. You have to wait for a pump, my friends. Now at this time the people understand that they have no idea to pump and they going to sell Chainlink. You know what, just look at the last 3 days price of the Chainlink, my friends. The last 3 days price changes of the Chainlink is negative 13.01%. price fast down. The Chainlink price fast down from 25 USD dollar to 21 USD dollar approximately. In the last 3 days, the price of Chainlink fast down from to 3 USD dollar, 4 USD dollar price fast down of Chainlink in the last 3 days. So that's clear that you are in the loss. And if you decide to sell your Chainlink on this price, so there's a really big loss of all Chainlink holders. Don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. This is your mistake. Then you decide to sell. No, you have a patience, my friends. Wait for a big pump. Maybe Chainlink will tomorrow take a pump. Maybe after in the next hour they pump. You have to wait, my friends. I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.